What is up, ladies, gentlemen, boys, and the girls? It's your boy Leo Elephant, and I'm back again with it. Another video. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Please do like this video, of course. If you do like it, man, let's do this anytime. Let's jump straight onto the business of the day. I'm gonna be showing you how to clean your Air Force Ones after, a rough day of dirt and mud. The last time I wore these was at a sports day, so you can imagine, yeah, these had it rough. Because of the lighting, these look better on camera, but in person, oh my god, these are filthy, guys. Firstly, let's go through what you need to wash your white Air Force Ones. So, multi-purpose cleaner. In South Africa, we actually use Handy Andy. It's the best. And then you're gonna need your bleach, and then you're gonna need some washing powder. Any washing powder really. And then you're gonna need a soft brush and also a hard bristle brush, and obviously some water. I mean honestly, you can use a bucket, you can use your sink, but skotlolo. So let's get cleaning. Firstly, you need to brush off any leftover dust. Take off your shoelaces and make sure that those emblems are safe. You do not want to lose these bad boys. You're gonna take your shoelaces and soak them in water in the meantime, add some multi-purpose cleaner, some washing powder, some bleach, and let them soak. I forgot to mention that you will need a cloth as well for wiping your sneakers. In your water, you're gonna add some MPC, a little bit of bleach, and some washing powder. Stir up your water a little bit for that, for the bubbles. And dip the soft brush in and brush your leather till it looks clean. Hey man, you have eyes, just use your judgment. Make sure you get the tongue, man. The tongue, bro. Wipe the upper leather and start going in on the sock liner. Look, your sock liner will never be as white as before, but as long as there's no visible stains on there, it should be enough. That's enough. You're gonna use your cloth to suck out any excess water on your sock liner. After that, you'll use a hard bristle brush and scrub on the sole. Not forgetting the underneath of the shoe, man. If that's not clean, then your shoe's not clean. I'm sorry. Use the soft brush to go in on the crevices, just to get those corners, man. And then you're gonna wipe off the whole shoe once again. And when you're done with the first one, you're gonna do the same on the other shoe. So now your shoes are nice, white and crisp. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna stuff them with socks while they are still a bit damp. If you have shoe trees, you can use those, but this process basically helps your shoes to get back into shape and also to remove some of the creases that formed over time. Yeah, bro. I'm going to go ahead and put them outside, in the sunlight, so that they can actually dry. And while they're drying, because leather is very expandable, it's flexible, they're going to dry into shape, As you can see, my shoelaces have been soaking. They're clean, they're sparkling white. Now you're just going to rinse them out with clean water, and you're going to wring them out and put them outside to let them dry. After you let them dry, you're going to install them in your shoes, and hey man, as you can see, my shoes are white, they're sparkling, they're clean, and that is how you wash your Air Force Ones. And so we come to the end of the video, guys. Please do subscribe, please do like this video, of course, if you like it. I hope that it was helpful, and so I'll see you on another video. Salute.